We're here on the first day. The place is hopping. Everybody's excited to be here and ready to go.
This is day one and we are busy. That's the beauty of the show, right? That's the energy and the excitement that you want.
You feel the energy and it stays with you.
This always is the show we don't want to miss. So the quality of the contacts is very high.
What motivates me to come back is getting motivated. When I come back from a show, I am motivated, excited, invigorated, and ready to get fresh again.
You have everyone from giant box stores and distributors here to smaller buyers, which we are, but we still feel important and we still get treated well. It's awesome.
Today, all the excitement's been behind new color launches from all of our favorite partners, and it's just really great to get a chance to touch base with them in one central location.
Condensing it down to 3 days, I believe, was absolutely the way to go. It creates for a more exciting, a more fast-paced environment. If you are in the housewares industry, the Inspired Home Show is where you want to be.
My name is Kimberly Thompson. I own The Grateful Gourmet, and new trends inspire me.
I'm John from Made by Gether, and design inspires me.
I'm Marcus from Brainstream. Ingenuity inspires me.